Alright guys, so we got the Corvette right here. So as you guys saw in that first video, it was missing that front bumper, it was missing this headlight, and it was missing this passenger side fender. But we went ahead and bought some used ones, some used parts, and just put them on right now, just try it on and see how it would fit. It fits pretty good, everything's not screwed on fully. But as you guys can see, fits pretty good. And then we also put that intake on there. K&N, ordered that from K&N. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, this is 07 LS2 6.0. And yes, it is a 6-speed. We bought it from the auction. If you guys didn't watch that video, it should be a video right before this one. But yeah, it's a 6-speed manual, 07 LS2 Corvette. But yeah, next step is probably gonna be sanding everything down and getting it paint ready, and just adjusting everything and making everything fit perfectly. But yeah, it's coming out pretty good, guys, as you guys can see. Righty. Alright guys, so we also got this LS1 Corvette right here. Is in for a muffler delete for a customer. But actually not a muffler delete, cat delete actually. But yeah, this one's a 6-speed as well, LS1. And then as you guys saw, had the LS2 back there. And then we got this LS3 vet. So this one's a 09. It's very nice. It's got carbon fiber rear diffuser. It's got carbon fiber inside and everything. It's got that big lip up front. But yeah, that's the 09 LS3. LS1. This one's the customers. That one's for sale. But if you guys didn't know, Chevy started making the LS3 in 2008. So we just missed it by 1 year, but the LS2 is good as well. It's 400 horsepower, and I believe the LS3 is 420. So it's not that big of a difference. But yeah, we can go ahead and see and run them. But yeah, this is the rebuild that we have going on right now, and it was a steal, so why not rebuild it? And it's a Corvette. I mean, that's what we do. We're into muscle cars. So yeah, guys. This is just basically a vlog, just kind of showing you guys what's going on in the shop and everything. So yeah. But yeah, guys, when you buy these Corvettes, the freaking headlights are painted the exact color of the car. So when we went ahead and bought the headlight, we have to get like the original color that matches, which is like this maroonish red. Oh.
Like your go, okay. अबे कितना के कितना यार वो you hear what he just said? Shut up, penguin looking ass.
He's that penguin looking ass. Oh, that's too funny. I mean, he said you look like a penguin, does he?
Yeah, you do look like a penguin. That's funny as fuck. That's fucked up. You wanna see how you walk? Oh shit, yo, money. Berto can do it.
Alright, Berto, do it. You're on the video too.
Yo, one thing I always wanted to ask you, see?
No.
I think that thing tightens
How did you get the shit stain on your
down
teeth?
here. Right
That's not shit. That's
tightens to that whatever frame it is.
Butt tooth, nigga. You got a shit stain on your teeth, nigga. You get shit stains on your teeth.
That's too funny.
I think I have to go to J&J. Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys.
No, he has a Borla Attack on there.
Oh, really?
And I checked it. And it has a Borla Attack muffler. So he just wants a cat. He already has long tube headers. I'm going to show you guys. But yeah, he has long tube headers on there already. Just delete the high flow cast and just put a straight pipe on there. You see, and he has the X pipe on there as well. And then it comes back, and you'll see on the tips it'll say Borla. And yeah, don't delete the mufflers because then it'll sound horrible. But yeah, he has Borla.
Does he still have a resonator on?
No, the resonator's deleted. It's the X pipe. You see the X? Yeah. So once it gets the, but it's not gonna shoot flames. I don't think so. But yeah, notice on this Corvette, it doesn't have a vent right above the emblem. I don't know. It's pretty low. Yeah. And then on ours, it has a vent. You see right there? It has a vent. Intake is on.
Yeah, you guys fix the control.
Intake is on. All bumpers on. Headlight is on. Right, Alberto? We're ready to rock and roll. He said yes, puto. Guys, we got it started and everything, about to just take it out. Got the LS1. This thing's pretty loud. Give it a rev, Hasib, so I can show them on the video. It's got Borla on it. Dude, that one sounds nice. That one?
Yeah, that one sounds really nice.
Yeah. Nah, Alberto. Start the LS3, let's go. Wow, it's dead? Oh my God. Let's go for a ride, I see. I'm gonna go for a ride. Guys, watch out, fish. What are we listening to? Oh hell no. No love songs here. First gear. Alright guys, the Corvette is back in the shop. I'm Alberto. But yeah, the next video is probably gonna be sanding it and the paint process and everything. So you guys stay tuned for that. And yeah, probably show this once it gets the cat delete done. Has long tube headers and everything. I didn't even see that. It's pretty nice. This one's also in its subwoofer is not working correctly, so something with the wiring is wrong, so we're trying to figure that out. And then also that high flow cat delete. But yeah guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. We had all three LS1, LS2, and LS3 Corvettes. And yeah, it's a pretty awesome day at the shop. Even the 5.0. Let me give you guys this cold start. It's not really cold, it's actually warm up here. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, it's SMU 5.0. I'll put it right here. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the Corvette build. And we also got another build coming, so you guys stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, then hop in the 5.0. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.